Hello everyone and welcome to this vending machine video again. Now on top we have the Bentley Shelby Cobra, which is very nice but not my thing. It's good that they paint the window edge black. Plymouth Fury, and I don't know what is this, Jurassic World Total Disposal. Jaguar XJ220 is very nice. Impala, Gumball, Ford GT40, Honda NSX. Now there is a Mercedes 500e behind. I am looking for another one. If I want to get that, I have to buy what is this? The Draftnator, is it? I don't know what is this transparent truck. And the Grid Porsche, which is also very nice, that I don't have yet. Then we have the Land Rover, the Mystery Machine, the regular treasure hunt, Lamborghini, BMW M2, the blue Volvo, the dark Koenigsegg, Batmobile. Now this BMW police car is very nice, I may get this. And also this Nissan Skyline Boulevard, but the price is a bit steep, but it's a Nissan Skyline. I don't know. Let me pause for a while, let me think. So I have decided to make my purchase. Opportunity like this doesn't come often. Number 55. Number 27. Another time. And I have the Mercedes. And now I'm going to buy the police car. Bear with me while I take the car out. And this is what I have bought. The artwork is very nice. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.